What would it look like to go around the Earth once at the speed of light? Would it look like this? What do you think it would look like? Genuinely, what does the speed of light look like on Earth? It's break time. W break. No, genuinely, I'm thinking like, actually, what does the speed of light look like on Earth? What does it look like? I've seen it like in space, isn't it literally just a line of light? That's what I'm thinking. That's what I think of when I think of speed of light. Surely, no, bro. We're thinking it's way quicker, right? Yeah, not even close. Test what's faster. Sound or light? Light. We're not dumb, bro. Who do you think? Bro, not even close though. Yeah, okay. Light travels at 299,792,458 meters per second. It would take 0.13 seconds for light to complete one full trip around the Earth. What? I knew it was quick, but I didn't think it was that quick to go around the Earth in that time, bro. Damn. This is what it would look like. Okay, let's see. Yo, bro. I'm pretty sure a blink is shorter than that. Genuinely, that's the same length as a blink, bro. Sound would be slower. Yeah, we know that. At if it somehow reached from the sun to Earth. 8 frames, bro. Are we sure this isn't just like you're, bro? Who are we lying to, bro? You're faster than that, Shawahi? So you swear you're faster than that? Cause I've seen you run, and I'm pretty sure like I'm cooking something up to compete myself with the speed of light. Yo, that'll make W stream though. Now at this point, we're trying to sound smart. Trying to sound smart, and I'm faster than the speed of light in the same sentence. Are we being dead ass? What was I saying? Oh yeah, bro. I promise you this is just the exact same frame. Or like the exact same C, bro. Frame 1. That C. That C. Yo, it might just be the C, bro. Take a joke! It's not a joke. This is serious, bro. Dan thinks he's faster than the speed of light. We gotta be... This is why... I'm not gonna say that. Zimbabwe. Talking about speed of sound. Alright, now this is what we want to hear. Alright. Right, chat, lock in. This is what you wanted to hear, right? Is this what speed of sound is? Bye, Dan. That's crazy. What? Genuinely, what? Compared to the speed of light? That's insane, bro. It is... Oh, wait, it's actually just gonna show the whole part. That's how fast... So wait, from 1 minute 12 seconds to 211. Bro. That's actually pretty crazy, chat. Genuinely that quick is insane. I didn't think it was I knew light was faster than sound, but I didn't think it was that much of a difference.